Hello, welcome to Ricky Pasket Official. If this is your first time, please hit like and subscribe and tell your friends about the page so I can grow here in 2020. You wanted to hear about the Maltese? Okay, here's an update. I figured out that this bracket is to a 1937, so it doesn't work for what I need to do. It will work, but it isn't correct. So I have to get the correct bracket, which a correct bracket piece is right around here and sticks a little bit above the right here, right there. So yeah, the horn is correct, but I have a problem. There is a hole in it, but the core, there's no pinholes in the core, so the core is still good. I just gotta clean it up very, very good and spray it down with some stuff so it won't rust any further. But other than that, getting it together, it's got some fresh oil in there. It turns by hand. So yeah, it's kind of hard to do this and hold it up. See? Turns. So yeah, she's ready to go back in, but I need these right here, the generator wire. There's all these little things right here I'm still trying to figure out, but in due time, I guess. I'll take it day to day and things will start coming together. The exhaust, that's at the ranch, so all I have to do is hook up the brass nut to the pipe, but I have to get that engine hoist to slide in, and then I have to get the correct piece for this, and correct this, because this is the correct one. It's just, it's very, very old and disintegrated, and they make the reproduction ones that you can replace these with. So yeah, it's got this too, the Texas T-Parts accessory. So once I take that out, I'll put some silicone seal on that, and then I'll be ready to go, and things will be good. I just have to redo everything I possibly know how to do, because money is tight. I don't have much money. My channel hasn't really taken off like most channels do, because I refuse to do the gaming thing, or, you know, fall into trends, because trends, you die with the trend, and that's no good. So anywho, just keeping, oh yeah, down here, I did the timing right here, so it's got the timing piece right here. All I have to do is get the rods in there, and it should work like a charm. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it, because, you know, I've been trying to do this for 5 years, and yeah, I'm getting it done. A lot of people doubted me and said I couldn't do it, but you know what? There's proof down there. I got to turn over, cranked it, changed the head, changed the bottom seals, capped that off down there. You know, doesn't need a starter. It can run on magneto. But this is starting to bug me. I have to change that out. It needs the correct. It doesn't need a 37. It needs a 19 bracket. And besides, this is too high up. It's not designed to be that. It's supposed to be bolted to the water bracket up here, and that's how it's supposed to be. So yeah. Anywho, thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll do some more things in a little bit. I'm feeling better today. So I'm excited about that. I was able to have some sweet and sour chicken. Anywho, much peace. Talk to you guys later. And girls.